long life, happiness, prosperity, and most of all, God's blessings. May the vows that you made to one another today sustain you forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you our newlyweds, Mr. Victor Miguel Alberto Teves Lopez and Mrs. Joyce Alapar Jackson Lopez. Let's give them a round of applause. Face each other. I know that you've kissed before. Why pa ka makakiss? Have you kissed her before? Inidugayon mo. Kaya itong mga kisses before, illegal to, and you have no license to kiss each other. Now, you have the license because you are married under the Philippine laws. So, Miggy, you may now have your first legal kiss. Oh, yeah. Nakwa? Again, dugayon. Hinahinay mo para